Cool things you can do on Canva, part 1.
Magic Grab. It's basically a background remover, but so much better. Okay, so let's go and create a design so I can show you how you're gonna do this. You know I love an Instagram square post, and I'm gonna create like a logo of myself for branding, just so you can see how you can do this magic grab using a body, but also using other parts of an image. So I already imported the image that I want to use. So this is the photo here, and you can see that like it's me, but there's like a whole bunch of stuff in the background. So let's make it fit the screen. Perfect. And from here, if you just wanted to do a simple background remover, you just click on the image and then hit background remover, and then Canva removes the whole background for you. That's super simple. You can still do that, but this magic grab is way, way cooler. So you're gonna hit edit, and then over in the left-hand side, you're gonna hit magic grab. So it kind of scans the image here, and then it kind of like separates each piece, and then you're gonna go click and see how it selects all of me. It makes me purple, which is super cool that it's purple. Anyway, so basically you can see it loading right here, and it's grabbing that part of the image out of the image. And now do you see that it's separate from the background of it? So you didn't remove the background, you removed me from the photo. And then from here, you can basically do whatever you want with either the photo of yourself or the background. They're two separate images. So you can make the background a little more transparent. You could make it pink. You could make it purple, because of course we would make it purple. You could even leave the background as is and then just actually blur the background. So it's still there, but now it looks all blurry and out of focus. You can also magic grab different parts of the image. So let's restart from the beginning. This photo is as I imported it. Let's grab the work bitch hat in the background. So you're gonna do it the exact same way, because it scanned the image. So you can click on basically anything in the image. And now do you see it's processing that it's going to remove that hat from the photo. So here, now you can move it around. If you want to, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, or you can just delete it entirely. The other cool thing that you can do is you can basically duplicate the image. So let's start from the beginning. Let's go up to the reverse arrow. So up in the top, you can hit back, which is this little back arrow here, and basically however many times you hit that, it's going to undo the changes that you make. So let's bring it back to the beginning. We just magic grab the hat. Now if you hit duplicate, now that one hat stays there, and you can move the second one around and edit the image that way. That's it for this cool thing you can do in Canva, magic grab. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.